Jeff Cote here with Ask PYS. We've got a question from a fellow boater. This boater asks us questions on how to update schematics, right? And so first of all, let's put context to the question. As a boat owners, we should all want to have wiring diagrams for our boats. It's essential to be able to troubleshoot a problem quickly. And even if you're not so comfortable with troubleshooting, giving that piece of paper to a friend or a fellow boater that might be in an anchorage with you that can help you to troubleshoot is going to be way easier if you've got something to start with. Because coming on a boat, not having anything, no diagrams, and trying to solve a problem can be really humbling and time consuming. And that means frustrating. So this question is relevant. How do you go about updating? So the first step is don't get caught up even with software or not software. The first step is having a diagram to begin with. So even if it's on paper, even if you use a pencil and you have an eraser, put it down on paper. And over time, that diagram can grow and evolve. It might not be pretty, but at least you have something. And I see these diagrams from boaters all the time. They still convey a lot of information. You can't describe what an electrical system is using just words. Schematics really get to the point. Now, if you want to digitize this diagram, we here at PYS use Microsoft Visio as a tool. We like it because we can move the items, but that's not the only one. I bet there's a lot of other drawing tools that you can go out there. We just happen to use Microsoft Visio to actually create schematics, especially for our design and consultation services. So do it, make a diagram, start with pencil, and if you want to make it prettier or nicer, then what we do here at PYS is use Microsoft Visio. Thank you for watching this PYS video. If you've got further questions, please ask it below or contact us on our contact form on our website. I'm happy to donate my time to share information with you. You can support us in keeping our channel ad-free by purchasing some merch on our store or making a donation through PayPal. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again for watching.